Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by checking whether the formula bar is simply turned off. Open the View tab and check the formula bar box to show it. If the bar is visible but collapsed, press Ctrl plus Shift plus U to expand or collapse the formula bar display. If formulas appear instead of results, press Ctrl plus to toggle formula view. These steps work in Excel 2016, 2019, and 365 with identical menu names. If this fixes the problem, you can stop here and resume normal work immediately. If the formula bar is visible but blank or unresponsive, disable add-ins to test for conflicts. Go to File, Options, Add-ins, then Manage COM add-ins and disable suspicious entries, then restart Excel. Reset ribbon and quick access from File, Options, customize ribbon if buttons or bars misbehave. Update your display driver and Office to rule out rendering or compatibility issues with hardware acceleration. Finally, toggle hardware acceleration off under File, Options, Advanced if the problem persists after updates. When basic steps fail, run Excel in safe mode to isolate startup issues quickly. Start Excel in safe mode by running Excel/safe from Run or Command prompt. If safe mode restores the formula bar, undo recent customizations and reinstall problematic add-ins. If problems persist, repair Office from Control Panel or Settings to restore corrupted UI files. Before major repairs, copy worksheets into a new workbook and save a backup so no work is lost. After repair, restart and verify the formula bar functions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.